Hi YouTube, we're gonna do this song called I Don't Know How to Love by the Drums. I'm gonna show you two ways to play it. The first way is with power chords, and that's also kind of what they're doing on the record, so that works out well. Here's how it goes. I'll talk about it after. When you're alone and I'm alone, touch you 3 months ago, but now it makes you so upset. And why you say I don't know how to love. I simply don't understand my life. Something like that. So let's talk about how to play it. This song, I think this song is in B. And that's how it starts off. So we're just playing. Well, let me talk about the sound. For this sound, you kind of want like a surf guitar kind of sound. So that would be like a clean bridge sound on a humbucker, but better even if you have a Fender single coil. And then you want to play on some kind of Fender clean amp with a lot of reverb, and that will get you close to that surf sound. Things like Dick Dale, Miserlou, something like that. This is the verse. B to G sharp. And when you're alone and I'm alone, I'm just playing two strings here. On the B, I'm playing the 5th string on the 2nd fret, and the 4th string on the 4th fret. And what you kind of want to do is do almost like a alternating picking, but not quite. You're not going to be this slow. Although you could play the song like that. Kind of raking it across the string, so you get both notes. From the B to the F sharp power chord, and that's 6th string, 4th fret, 5th string on the 6th fret. That's for the verse. That repeats like 2 times. And for the chorus, we're going to be going to the E power chord. That's the easiest one so far. We're just going to place our index finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and we're going to play the open 6th string. Why you say I don't know how? That's an F sharp power chord. So we're going from the E F sharp, which is a 6th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, 5th string, 4th fret. So it's just convenient going from the E. And it goes to B. And then to a G sharp. I don't think we had the G sharp yet. Oh yeah, we did. We had that on the... That's all the chords in the song we've used. Now if you were going to play this, with full chords, want to make G sharp minor. It's the only minor chord in this song. But if you're playing power chords, you don't have to worry about that. This would be the verse. I'm going to teach you how to strum it too later on in the lesson. But this is if you want to play along with the recording. A bridge, but the bridge just follows the chorus. So it's when they're playing the instrumental on the bridge, they're just playing the chorus, and then when they come out of that, they go into the chorus one last time, and that's the whole song. So you got everything you need to know to play that with power chords. Just need to listen to the recording and get used to the sequence of playing those sections. How do we play it if we want to just strum it with the easy chords? Let's move on from the power chords. I turned off my reverb and turned down my overdrive and got just a good clean sound. Maybe it's a little more overdriven than an acoustic, but you can play this on an acoustic, no problem. All right, and we're gonna change the sound because we're gonna strum it now. All right, and we're gonna change the key so we can play in easy chords. So it's gonna be now in G. To E minor. The verse. Let me play it through. And I'm alone. I could touch you 3 months ago, but now it makes you so upset. You say I don't know how to love. I simply don't understand my life. Okay, so the new chords are going to be G, E minor, C, and D. All right, and the verse is going to be G to E minor, G to E minor. Then the chorus is going to be C. When you say D, don't. How to G, E minor. I simply don't understand my life. E minor. All right, and then let's talk about the lead parts on this, and very brief. This would be for when I showed you with the power chord. Guitar, there's 2 guitars playing on the recording. We're just playing out of this little pentatonic shape here on the 7th fret. And that shape is 7-9 on the high E, 7-9 on the B, and we got the 8th on the G. So we're starting on the B string, and then we go down to that 8th fret on the G string. And then with this note to end is the 7, 6. Okay, and 6 is not in the pentatonic, but they're using it in the melody, so it's what we call an outside note. And then you can move that around probably 5 frets up and 7 frets up. And if figure out the other lead parts on when the chords change. But that's basically what they're doing. So that should be a good one for you to figure out. Really like the spare style on this, and that's one of the things that makes this song cool, is they're not overplaying it. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.